So, ayan yung puntahan namin sinapapan niya. Oh, there. Ito pala sila, oh.
What's that?
Something inside.
What's that?
I'm wondering why they always take photo here. That's the tree. It shapes heart. Heart pala siya. Ayan, oh. Ito yung heart na puno. Magkabilaan. Heart! Where's mommy? There's mommy coming. Heart! There! The heart! There yung dalawang couples.
The heart!
Heart! Yes!
The heart!
The heart! The heart! Diyan sa heart na heart talaga siya, guys. Promise. Tapos ayan yung tea nila na cute. Yan.